What if the world's most advanced army wasn't marching above the ground, but awakening beneath it? Inside heavily protected facilities, a new generation of AI-powered combat machines is beginning to emerge. Unlike human soldiers, these machines never sleep, never panic, and never hesitate. By artificial intelligence, these systems analyze threats in milliseconds and react faster than any human. It isn't science fiction anymore. It's a glimpse into the future battlefield being imagined by defense planners around the world. The next generation of warfare may not rely on a single aircraft, but on hundreds of intelligent drones working. Each drone shares information instantly, allowing the entire swarm to react as a single intelligent system. Armored vehicles could navigate dangerous terrain, identify threats, and support troops with increasing levels of artificial intelligence. Can also assist defensive systems by rapidly processing sensor data and helping prioritize potential conflicts. Information may become as important as firepower, and AI could help commanders make faster, more informed decisions. Air combat could rely on stealth, artificial intelligence, and lightning-fast data sharing to give pilots greater awareness of the battle. Naval forces are also exploring greater automation to improve surveillance, coordination, and maritime orbit. Advanced satellites can provide continuous imagery and communications that support military operations across the. This advantage may not come from a single machine, but from connecting every platform into one coordinated. Artificial intelligence is already influencing military technology around the world. The coming decades may determine how these innovations reshape the future of defense. Information could move faster than bullets, allowing commanders to coordinate land, sea, air, space, and cyber operations almost. Artificial intelligence is becoming a strategic priority for many nations, driving rapid investment in autonomous systems and advanced defense tech. Conflicts may be shaped not only by the strength of weapons, but by the speed of information, automation, and human decision. The future of military technology is still being written, and the choices made today will influence how tomorrow's conflicts are. Intelligence is transforming many areas of society, including defense. How these technologies are developed and used will help shape the future. What do you think the battlefield of 20 thoughts below and technology shaping tomorrow?